Hi, I'm Jessica Kounakoff. I'm a project coordinator from the telecommunications team. My team is a very small team. We work very closely together. They make everyone feel very welcome on a daily basis. We work very cohesively and we're great communicators. What I like working within my team is I find that we are very easygoing. I find that we are, even though there is differences, different personalities, I think we all bounce off each other. Teamwork is important to me and our team. It's because we can get the job done more efficiently. On any given day, I look after up to around about 20 people. To keep people informed or valued, communication is a key. It's very important. That can be via Teams, emails, or our Teams meetings. A great example is within our team, we have a level 3 that runs for half an hour, 5 days a week, and it's a great opportunity for us to all join in. We go through our daily tasks, we give updates on how our work is going, and it's just a great way to also touch base about even mental health or just to see how everyone's going one-on-one. As we work in a small team environment, we heavily rely on one another and we also lean on each other. Even if it's just taking a step back from work, because work can tie us up. It's good just to have a step back and have like a personal one-on-one conversation. Just touch base and say, hey, how you going? What safety looks like to me is, even though we do have our field technicians out and about and they work outdoors, office safety is also just as important. That can come down to, other employees carrying too many boxes around, just reaching out saying, hey, do you need a helping hand? It can even come down to, watching someone use like a step ladder and they may be using it incorrectly, so you could just come out and reach out and say, hey, do you need some help there? What working better means to me in my team and my role on the daily basis is that we have a roster and we're always ensuring that our employees are working an equal amount of hours on a weekly up to a monthly basis.